Good evening, folks. Mark here in Fan Cave. It's 9:30. I think it's Monday, August 18th or something. I don't know. I lose track. Anyway, this here is appears to be Palco built. It's it has a universal nameplate, but judging by its appearance, it looks like a Palco. So this is actually a really sentimental fan for me. When I was a kid, there was a local chain around here called Caldor, and it was sort of a it was your basic, like a Walmart light, or a Target or something. In fact, I think the Target in Saugus used to be a Caldor, and the Marshalls in Stoneham used to be a Caldor. And they used to have these over the checkout counters. I believe the one in Saugus had 3 over the front checkout counters, and the one in Stoneham had 2 over the front checkout counters and 1 over the rear. And both stores had these all over the back rooms. I'd look through the back doors, and they had these everywhere. So the receiving area, the back, where they stored in the storage rooms. So. Anyway, I don't know if they were branded Universal or what. I've seen these branded as Gold Line, Orange Line, just Palco. The small Palco I have is actually called a Carib. So, anyway, I rigged this up to a 5-speed EnviroFan control. I'm going to start it off on speed 1, which is the fastest. Yeah, I actually acquired these about 10 years ago. There was some sort of manufacturing building. I forget what they did, but it was over in Woburn, and they had, I believe, these 2, and then there were a couple of something else pretty cool. I forget what it was, but I forget. I think it might have been Silver Lines or something, and at least one new tone. Line 1 or 2? Yeah, I don't remember. There were just quite a few industrials over there. So, but there was one. There were 2 universals. One has a nut at the bottom. I'll probably show that next. I'll probably test that. So yeah, let's kick it down. Kick it up to speed 2, which is actually kicking it down to the slower speed. Yeah, and I forget the story as to why they got rid of these fans. They had, I think they had a bunch of something else. I think they were New Tone Proline 2s or something. And then these fans were in the way of ductwork or something that was going in, or had gone in. I think they actually showed me there was a big duct, going through that side of the building. So they said, we had to take the fans down. All right, speed 3. Four. And 5. Something I love about seeing industrials on low speed is when I was a kid, up until '97 when my local library had a whole bunch of gold lines that were always on low, and you could actually hear the buzzing from the solid state controls. And I'm trying to think, there were 2, 4, 6, 8, I guess there were 12 gold lines in the building. And then in '97 they renovated it and they yanked down all the fans for some reason. Much to my consternation. And I don't know what you're going to get for a spin down because I have the Crompton Reeves Zencon cranking up there at the peak of the roof, and I have no intention of shutting that off, so it's probably going to continuously spin. Yeah, it's not shutting down. So anyway, yeah, thanks a lot for watching. And I'll actually show you what the sticker looks like. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.